Hey deal hunters, welcome to Newcraft Deals and Steals. We track down the best bargains on tools, hardware, outdoor gear, lawn and garden, and even appliances from places like Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight, Amazon, and more. No searching, no scrolling. We've already found the hottest markdowns and hidden sales for you. Links are in the description, so all you have to do is click, order, and enjoy. Now let's check out today's steals. All right, let's be real. When you think about summer cookouts, you think about that mouth-watering, smoky flavor drifting through your backyard. The Kingsford Charcoal 2-pack isn't just fuel, it's the heart of that flavor. Known for burning hotter, longer, and more evenly than the cheap stuff, this charcoal gives your burgers, steaks, chicken, and veggies that perfect sear every single time. And since this is a 2-pack, you're stocked up for multiple weekend barbecues, family gatherings, and those spontaneous let's grill tonight moments without worrying about running out halfway through cooking. And right now at Lowe's, you can get two 16-pound bags on sale for $17.88. At this price, you should pick up a few of these. Don't forget, link down in the description below. Next item. If you've ever fought with a flimsy spatula or burned your hand trying to flip something, you know the struggle is real. That's where the Pit Boss grill accessories come in. We're talking heavy-duty, professional-grade tools built to handle serious heat and heavy food without bending or breaking. Whether you're flipping that thick ribeye, turning delicate fish fillets, or basting a rack of ribs, these accessories give you precision, control, and confidence. Plus, let's be honest, they make you look like the neighborhood grill master, even if you're still perfecting your technique. And right now, this 3-piece set is on sale for $35. Normal price on this is $44. This thing is a little over 25% off. Great deal, some great tools for your pit. Let's go. So there's nothing better than that moment when the grilling's done, the plates are full, and you can finally sit back and relax. This chair set from Lowe's is built for that moment. These chairs are sturdy enough to last season after season, but comfortable enough to keep you sitting and chatting for hours. They're weather resistant. That means they're going to look great through sunny days, breezy evenings, and even the occasional thunderstorm. Whether it's your morning coffee spot or the best seat around the fire pit, these chairs are ready to become your go-to hangout zone. And at this price, this is a deal you should not pass up. Currently on sale for $155, regular price $295. That is a savings of almost 50%. Want to be the backyard place where everyone gathers? This sectional is your ticket. With roomy seating, plush cushions you can sink into, and a stylish design that upgrades your entire patio, this sectional is all about comfort and connection. It's perfect for those movie nights under the stars, casual afternoon naps, or long conversations that stretch late into the night. The weather-resistant build means it can handle real outdoor living, so get your style and durability all in one seriously inviting package. And right now, this is on sale at Lowe's for $699. This was originally over $1,100. It's a savings of $429. This deal won't last long. All right, next up, let's look at this gazebo. This all-season gazebo isn't just an accessory. This is a total backyard upgrade. This thing gives you your own sheltered, shaded space no matter what the weather's doing. Sturdy frame and weather-resistant canopy are built to handle it all. Hot summer sun, unexpected rain showers, or those chilly fall evenings. It's perfect for hosting outdoor dinners, keeping the party going when the weather tries to shut it down, or simply creating a quiet retreat for your morning coffee. Once you have one, you'll wonder how you ever entertained without it. And right now, this is on sale at Lowe's for $899. This thing is $300 off, which is a savings of 25%. If you're in need for an outdoor upgrade, this is the one to get. Let's look at this garden rail hose. If you've ever wrestled with a tangled, kinked garden hose, you know how frustrating it can be. This hose reel puts an end to that mess. It keeps your hose neatly stored, tangle-free, and ready to go at a moment's notice. No more tripping hazards, no more dragging a dirty hose across your yard. Just smooth, easy use every time. Plus, keeping your hose stored properly means it's going to last longer. So it's one of those simple upgrades that saves you money in the long run. And right now over at Lowe's, this kit comes with the hose, the wall-mounted caddy, and a 9-position nozzle. Currently on sale for $90. Normal price was $120. Another product on sale with a savings of 25%. Get it while it's on sale. An outdoor patio thermometer might seem like a small thing, but it's one of those, how did I ever live without this upgrades? Big, easy to read numbers make checking the temperature quick and effortless, even from across the yard. This thing is weather resistant, and it's designed to keep working season after season without fading or cracking. Whether you're deciding on dinner outside, planning the perfect moment to light the fire pit, or just curious how hot it really is, this thermometer keeps you one step ahead of the elements. And currently this is on sale at Lowe's for $18.78. It's about $5 off, which is, again, about a 20 to 22% savings over regular price. Great thing for your patio. Pick one up today. Looking to add a little charm and structure to your garden, this garden trellis is the way to do it. Not only does it give your climbing flowers, ivy, or even those fresh fall veggies that it's about time to plant a place to grow, but it also creates a gorgeous vertical focal point for your yard. It's an easy, low maintenance way to make your outdoor space look polished and intentional. And because it's built to handle the elements, you get that garden showpiece look year after year without the constant upkeep. Currently over at Lowe's, you can pick this kit up for $57 and some change. It's right at $12 off, which is a savings of about 19 to 20%. Great thing for your garden. Grab this while it's on sale. All right, so there is clean, and then there's pressure washer clean. This pressure washer is like having superpowers for home maintenance. It blasts away dirt, grime, mold, and stains from your patio, driveway, siding, or outdoor furniture in minutes, not hours. It's faster, it's easier, and it's a whole lot more satisfying than simply scrubbing by hand. Once you start using it, you'll probably find yourself looking around for other things to clean just because it's that much fun to use. And right now over at Lowe's, this pressure washer is marked on sale for $199. That is $50 or 20% off. And this is a Lowe's exclusive. Link down below. Pick yourself up one before summer runs out. All right, and let's not forget about cleanup. Keeping your yard and driveway neat has never been easier than with this Cobalt blower. Lightweight but powerful, it sends leaves, grass clipping, and debris packing in seconds. No more dragging out the broom or raking for an hour. It's grab, click, and you're done. The balance and handle design makes it comfortable to use for extended cleanups, and it's great for quick touch-ups whenever you want your outdoor space looking its best without even breaking a sweat. Right now, Lowe's is including an additional battery, which is a $179 value. This thing is on sale for $249. That's right, it's $180 off. Good through October 1st. I would grab this ASAP before it is gone. And that's a wrap on today's Steals Deal Hunters. If you saw something you like, don't wait. Sales change fast, and these prices won't stick around. All of the links are down in the description so you can snag your favorites before they're gone. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell so you never miss the round of deals and steals. Most importantly, take 5 seconds out of your day. Leave us a comment. Really helps the algorithm get our content in front of more people. Until next time, happy deal hunting.